Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and the account that set the lock. Once confirmed, open File Explorer and go straight to the folder's parent. Turn on View right arrow, show hidden items and file name extensions so you can see hidden or system files. Make sure you note the full path. This prevents wandering. If the folder is on external media, connect it now. Once you see the folder listed, do not double-click. Instead, right-click and choose Properties to examine attributes and whether encryption or ownership restrictions are present. Now inspect permissions. Right-click the folder, Properties, then the Security tab to see who has access. If you lack permission, click Advanced and change owner to your admin account. This transfers control so you can adjust rights. Once you own it, add full control for your user and apply changes to subfolders and files. If the folder is encrypted, check the General tab for an Encrypt Contents checkbox. Turning that off requires the original encryption key. Make sure to apply changes and wait for propagation before proceeding. Finally, unlock the folder. If encrypted, supply the recovery key or decrypt using BitLocker or the originating app. For OneDrive Personal Vault, authenticate with the required method. Once decrypted, open several files to verify readability and then restore any changed attributes such as read-only. If access still fails, reboot into safe mode and repeat ownership and permission steps, or use a credible recovery tool while avoiding data overwrites. If you run into errors, note the exact message and retry with admin rights before escalating to backups or support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.